And hello, boys and girls of room 502. Mr. Leggett here with our text for closed reading. And this is Unit 4, Understanding Different Points of View. So let's just take a look and see what we got going on here. Table of contents. And our essential question is, what do we do when we look at the world through the eyes of others? Okay, so understanding different points of view. And that is our essential question. What do we do when we look at the world through the eyes of others? And here we have some photos and pictures, illustrations. And our first one is very familiar. Here, Boy. And it's an excerpt from Because of Winn-Dixie by Kate DiCamillo. And we're going to be annotating as we read. As you remember, Mrs. Evans in the library was reading this with us. And boy, we're getting pretty far in there. We didn't finish though, which is a shame. So let's just go ahead and read the introduction today. It says, and if you don't have your text for closed reading, it's okay, you can follow along. And because of Winn-Dixie, Opal Balloons has just... Opal Baloney has just relocated with her father, who is a preacher, to a small town in Florida. In the following passage from chapter 1, Opal goes to the supermarket to buy macaroni and cheese, but she returns home with much more. Remember this? From that day on, her life begins to change in important ways as she learns about the value of friendship and community, compassion, and forgiveness. And I know if we were in class, you'd all shout out if I said, remember what an excerpt is? We're going to circle that word. And you probably already know that. You say, yes, Mr. Leggett, we review this all the time. It's a part. So it's a part from Because of Winn-Dixie by Kate DiCamillo. So we're going to start reading this tomorrow. And should be interesting. This should be a brand new unit. And... we'll go from there. All right. We'll see you tomorrow on understanding different points of view, too.